There's definitely something working inside here. I think it might be the heater. While this is starting up, two of the covers were off. The right side of the camera, that cover, and then the top cover. It does look like there's a belt on the inside that would need to be replaced. It's way back there in the back, which you can't see because it's dark. Other than that, I have no idea the status of this 3D printer. Not sure. Looks like there might be some filament in there also, but I don't know how to get these open. Looks like there's also white filament in this one. It's a UPRINT SE Plus. It's now calibrating. It says something about ordering belts on that sticky note. Shutting down, code 14 and 60, cooling down. No idea what the issue is. Let's hit continue. Rebooting. I'm just going to sell it as is for parts. Two power switches, one here and another one back here, and that shuts it down. Here's a picture of something, and model number and serial number. Hopefully it focuses.